Hi students, in this video you will learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line. So in this case, you have to first know what does it mean by perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means that it is 90 degrees. Bisector means it's going to cut a line or cut something into two equal parts. So let's take a look at this scenario while I further explain what perpendicular bisector means. If I have a line over here which is AB and AB is given to be 8 cm, I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector onto AB such that it cuts AB into two equal halves. So how am I going to do this? First, I need to have my compass. Alright, so take a look at the compass. How I have to use the pointer end, point onto point B first, and make sure that it is not less than half of AB or not something that is more than not more than AB, because why? Your foolscap paper has limited space. So what I strongly recommend is you do something which is slightly more than AB. For example, this case which I took around 3/4 of AB, this is a safe bet. What I'm going to do is from point B, holding on to the hinge without, I repeat, without adjusting the arms of the compass. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a small little arc. Take a look at a small little arc at the top of the line AB. Alright, small little arc over here. And I'm going to make a small little arc below AB also. Okay, once I'm done with this, alright, I'm going to shift the pointer end towards point A. Okay, please take note, do not adjust the arms of the compass after you draw. Alright, do not adjust the arms of the compass after you draw the first arc. So holding on to the hinge without adjusting, what you can do is do a small arc on the top and a small arc at the bottom. Okay, can you see this clearly? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a ruler and a pencil such that I find an intersection point over here and an intersection point below the line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line that connects these two intersection points, and I'll label this as C and D. So take a look. C and D is a perpendicular bisector of AB. This means that CD cuts AB. So let's take a round up this whole topic. What does it mean by perpendicular? C and D cuts A and B. So at this point over here, I should get a 90 degrees, which is perpendicular. So I'm going to use a protractor to measure. Did I get 90 degrees? Yes, I got 90 degrees. Okay, so therefore I'm going to put this sign and state it as 90 degrees, which also means by perpendicular. As I mentioned just now, bisector means that it will cut into two equal halves. So let's take a look at AB. AB is, if I label this as Z, so I'm going to find what is AZ and what is BZ. So take a look. AB is 8 cm. So if I go and find it, you realize that it cuts at 4 cm. Okay, you can try this yourself. So therefore, this is equal to 4 cm, BZ is equal to 4 cm. So if both have equal length, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them as they are equal. So there are a few things that you need to highlight, that you need to know. You need to give out a 90 degrees and this equal signs. Right, that's about it for perpendicular bisector.